Hi everyone, I'm Tess and welcome to my cooking channel. Today I'm making some Mexican beef to use in tacos and burritos and nachos. Stay tuned. In a pan on medium heat, I'm adding in a little olive oil and the onions. Cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes until they're translucent, and then I'm adding in my ground beef. I'm using an 85-15 blend so I don't have much fat. Cooking and chopping until the beef is no longer pink. You will be able to find this recipe in the list of ingredients in the Show More section below. If you click on the word Show More, it will open and reveal this recipe, links where you can purchase some of the items that I use, and much more. If you have a chance, please check it out. Now for the spices. I'm adding in some minced garlic, salt, black pepper, oregano, paprika, cumin, chili powder, and some onion powder, giving that a good stir for about a minute to get all those spices blended with the beef. It is smelling really good. Next, I'm adding in some water and tomato sauce, giving that a stir, bringing up to a simmer, and cooking for about 10 minutes or until the liquid is reduced. And that's it. Cool and store in a lidded container in the refrigerator, and this Mexican meat mixture really freezes well. It's so nice when you want a quick meal to have the meat ready, and you can throw together some tacos or burritos or nachos. I hope you give this easy Mexican beef recipe a try, and thanks so much for watching. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!